All right, so here we got Bitcoin on the 1 hour on Bybit. Um, First thing I want to say is if we don't close above this last high today, that's not going to look good. Um, really didn't expect us to come back down to this range, but we did not break back into this region, so that's still we're not out of the water yet. We need to close above this last high and this 200 today, in my opinion. But we did get the double bottom so far. And this morning when I was looking at it, I planned on saying that it could look like we were coming back down to this range, but then we got this nice big candle right here, and it looks like we could close above the 50 in the next 30 seconds. So we will be on stream while that happens. Let's look at your momentum oscillators. You did enter the bearish control zone again. You had some trouble getting out of the top of it as you whipsaw it around here. But you are in the neutral median zone. You are above the neutral median line as of now. And you will stay above that signal line as long as you stay above basically 29K. 29K. So you did get that close above the 50. So we'll see if it's just if we still get rejected from the 50. I mean, yeah, we got a closure, but it wasn't a big closure above it. So your MACD positive momentum is increasing on the histogram. Strong upside curvature, fresh MACD cross. We got that 2 ticks ago. So, well, 1 tick ago. We're on our second tick now. Vol seems to be expanding. As you can see, your BBWP is rising. We have not crossed the moving average yet, which is basically at the middle line. If we can cross it, I would expect the volatility to continue to increase. Let's see here. Let's move on to the 4-hour. So still in this range. The thing is we're basically making a descending triangle here. I know it won't line up like completely right, but the concept of a descending triangle is lower highs and the same lows. So, I mean, you basically got that here, which has a 68% chance of breaking to the downside. Now, you still have that 32%. And if it does break up, I would expect us to come up to 32,500. All right, so now if it does break down, I would expect the next stop to be about 26,800. I'm even going to lower this a little bit to 26,500. Because that would be the level, and it would be the measured move of this range and of that descending triangle. So on the 4-hour, you're just getting out of the bearish control zone. As you can see, you're trying to get above that signal line right now. We are on that tick. So we will find out whether we can stay above 29,100 and stay above that signal line, continue that positive momentum. Your MACD is below the zero line. Looks like your negative momentum is waning a bit. If we can get that cross back above that signal line and get above that neutral median line, I do think we could break these moving averages and that last high at basically 29. Basically, we need to close above like 29,700 in order to get back above these moving averages, get back above that high, and continue at the top to the top of the range. Now, if we, like I already said, if we do break down, the next stop would be 26,600, in my opinion. Your vol is still low. As you can see, I mean, we're ranging here. A little bit of lower highs, though. That's the thing. We need to get back above this last high, 29,765 region. Let's go back down to the 1-hour, and let's go to the range chart. Check out what our Bollinger Bands and our stochastic momentum oscillator is doing. Okay, so you did get into the overbought region, which means we have strong momentum right now, but it wouldn't take much to turn it back around. It's starting to look like we're going to get at least to, we're on Ethereum. Let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, sorry about that. Either way, still the same story here. Looks like we could get above to this Bollinger Band, to the top side of the Bollinger Band. Now, if we get rejected from there, that's not going to look good. If we get rejected from there and come all the way back down to the bottom of this range, that is not going to look good at all. I would expect us to break it at that point. So unless we can get back above this last high on a 1 hour closure at basically 29,600, I think I could be wrong about that 35K mark. But we'll see. Basically, if we break the bottom of the range and this bottom side Bollinger Band, that will invalidate the 35K. I would expect this to come down to 25K region. Your stochastic looks like it's turning over right now, but it could stay in here for a while. As you can see, you can get an oversold and stay here for a while. You know, we entered it right here, basically chopped around a little bit, but it didn't take much to turn it back around. Same thing here. We stayed in oversold and got this whole move up, but it didn't take much to turn it back around. As soon as we topped out at that topside Bollinger Band, which was a fake out because you did start to close above that topside Bollinger Band, which usually means that you're going to continue. As soon as you close below it, crack back down. So if you guys are liking this video so far, like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out our links in the description below. Got a lot of affiliate links down there. Link to the Discord. We have some good conversations about trading and investing in there. So you're welcome to join. And everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.